Hi, I'm Sherry Fields with Berkshire Hathaway, Montana Properties, and I'm about to go over the 20 most important questions that you should ask before you even think about engaging a realtor, whether you're buying or selling your home.
Occasionally I am asked by a seller what the value might be for their home if they were to do some sort of major repair or renovation, such as combining two smaller bedrooms into a large master. And we have to explore where they've been. If they have been in that home for some time, their grown children have gone, they went to school there, then it might not be a good idea. They might not recoup whatever it is that they would invest into combining those two bedrooms, because the neighborhood is built close to schools. People that would move in probably would have children, small children, and more bedrooms on the main level is advantageous compared to even if they had a finished basement with extra bedrooms. So consideration has to always be given to where they are now. If the house is quite large and there are 4 bedrooms on the main level and they wanted to combine 2, they would still have 3 bedrooms on the main level, which is an acceptable number. If they wanted to put on an addition on the home, again, we have to look at the neighborhood and find out whether or not homes of that size are in the neighborhood, because it's possible that they would not recoup the money that they invest. So these are decisions that clearly need to be discussed before they're undertaken.
Hi, it's Sherry again. Thank you for watching. And if you want all of the 20 videos in the series, just go to my website, sherryfieldsrealestate.com/20 questions. You'll get immediate access and a bonus cheat sheet so that you can save them.